Bro, what are you guys doing? Kickball on the Hoover has met. Oh, jeez! So my kickball blow stuff away. Well, the Hoover tries to blow to it. And literally was attack me. No. Dig it. No. Don't mess with my feet, okay? Oh yeah. Do you see them together? They're meeting. Bro, what are you guys doing? They're shopping small one now. Skin. What are you doing? I'm trying to eat a stick. No stick for you. That'll block you. No Hoover. Yes. Listen, bro. The colours may look different in this video from real life. So you may think it's edited, you may not, it's okay. Stop hitting that Hoover. Hey! And don't just head through my feet, bro.
They get too confused, that will break.